Hey, I'm Joseph Dixon from Pearland, Texas, and I'm here to share with you a wonderful, fun visual art series titled Painting with Watercolor Pencils. We're going to have a great time with this. I hope you enjoy, and here we go. Now, colored pencils were invented in 1924 by a company, Faber-Castell. Now, around 1949 came the watercolor pencil. The watercolor pencil is a little different because it's the first soluble colored pencil, meaning that it'll dissolve when water is applied. This is a really versatile medium to work with. It can be used two ways. You can use it as a standard colored pencil, but then you can also, using a damp brush, use that to turn your colored pencil drawing into a watercolor painting. And we're going to go over a few things today just to show you how versatile this medium can be. Today what I'd like to do is create a color wheel with the three primary colors on that color wheel. Red, yellow, and we'll use blue. Something else you'll need for this particular project is watercolor paper. Okay? Also, to create a color wheel, we need something circular. So I'm going to use a recycled lid from a coffee can to help me draw my circle. And I think we'll also probably need a wonderful ruler to help us make some straight lines, okay? So if you can grab those things, we're ready to go. Okay, so to get started, we'll first use our recycled coffee top to create the circle. Or whatever circular object you have that you can use. But we're going to first create the circle. And then, using our ruler, we're going to divide the circle into three pieces. So I'm going to come down to the center. And it doesn't have to be perfect sizes. It doesn't have to match exactly. We just want to make sure that we create three pieces on the circle to represent our color wheel. Now, starting with the first primary color I'll use is red. And what we want to do is color in. We want to color in one of the sections on the color wheel, just using red. And fill it in nice and good. And you notice that I'm using it almost like a color, and it's working out really well. So that's nice and done. I'll go to the second primary color, blue, and fill in the next section with that primary color. Great. And the third primary color I'll use is yellow. And I'll fill in the last section with that third primary color, yellow. All right. So now that you have all of the three sections of this primary color wheel colored in with the primary colors, the next thing we're going to do is take our brush, take our damp brush, and now we're going to begin to go over each section of the color wheel. our primary color wheel. Now, we can build on this or extend this a little bit more by adding some background. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come in and I'm going to go around my color wheel with some color. I'm going to kind of mix the color up a little bit. Sort of blend them one on top of each other. See what happens. A little red, some yellow. And I'm going to go all the way around. Going all the way around with color from the color pencil. All the way around. And a little more red on this side, maybe. Yeah. All right. I hope you enjoyed lesson 1 of painting with watercolor pencils. I had a great time with that one. Hopefully you did as well. I can't wait to see you all again soon with lesson 2, and we'll look at secondary colors also. All right. Have a great day.